Login failed on ASB Securities App Fix. You open the ASB Securities app, ready to monitor your shares or place a trade, but instead, the screen flashes login failed. It's frustrating, but don't worry. The fix is usually simple, and you can get back into your account in just a few minutes. Start by checking your internet connection. ASB Securities needs a secure and stable connection to verify your credentials. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or toggle airplane mode on and off. A quick refresh like this solves most login issues instantly. Next, ensure your app is up to date. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search ASB Securities and check if an update is available. Older versions can have compatibility issues with the bank's security updates, which can lead to login failures. If that doesn't help, re-enter your credentials manually. Avoid relying on saved or autofill passwords. They might be outdated or incomplete. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it securely through ASB's website. Now, clear your app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, ASB Securities Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. This removes temporary files that may be interfering with your login attempt. Also, turn off your VPN if you're using one. ASB systems may block access from unknown or masked IP addresses as part of their security protocols. Disabling your VPN often restores normal access right away. If you still can't log in, try accessing your account from the ASB Securities website. If that also fails, it may be a temporary server issue. Wait a short while before trying again. So, when you see login failed on the ASB Securities app, stay calm. Check your connection. Update your app, re-enter your login info, clear your cache, and turn off your VPN. In most cases, that's all it takes to get back to managing your investments and trading smoothly.